Good morning from Orange Beach on April 19th, 2023. Yesterday, a story came out that Alaska Airlines is transitioning its customer check-in process in favor of a mobile-based check-in process because of pressures on labor. They just can't get enough employees. This shouldn't really surprise anybody. We've been talking for a long time about the pilot shortage in the industry and its effects, but really that's just one aspect of it. Any labor-intensive industry is going to struggle to find employees in the future because the long-term demographic profile of the U.S. is slightly shrinking. So it's going to be impossible to replace boomer and older Gen X employees, pilots or otherwise, as they reach or near retirement age. So any industry that's labor intensive is going to have to rethink how it staffs itself and how it serves its customers. If you know any futurists, you'll be familiar with the term timeless need, which means really something that we will always probably want to do, but that we may do differently in the future from how we've done it in the past. And the signal that we think here for airports is, particularly if you remember back into the early stages of COVID recovery, it was pretty normal to walk through an airport, especially a hub airport, and see significant numbers of customers and at the same time significant shutdown of airport concession space because of lack of employee availability. So this is a chance for airports to rethink how they serve their customers in the airport with their experience, specifically food, beverage, and retail. And stop designing terminals. If you're in the middle of a renovation or even designing a new terminal, and there are a lot of those projects going on, we still see that standard gray box design with all the concession storage and even kitchen space on the concourse level, heavily reliant on people. This is an opportunity for airports to start to think about how do they use mobile technology to free up that space for things that passengers really want to do, move the kitchen and the storage space down away from the concourse level and rely more on technology and fewer people, but still to serve the customers with what they need in the experience from a dining and retail standpoint. So this is a real opportunity, the signal here that Alaska is giving us to rethink how airports design and staff themselves in order to best serve the customer and meet those timeless needs, but in the future in a different way from how we've always done it.